Welcome everyone to our Lean channel. This is Mark. The previous videos covered elements 821, customer communication, and 822, determining the requirements for products and services. This time, we will discuss clause 823, which involves reviewing the requirements for products and services. Before we begin, click the subscribe button to stay informed of our new releases. Element 823 review of the requirements for products and services includes two subclauses. 8231 review of the requirements and 8232 documented information. The first part of element 8231 states that the organization shall ensure that it can meet the requirements for products and services to be offered to customers. This requirement repeats element 822b, stating that the organization shall ensure it can meet the claims for its products and services. Let's skip it and continue. The organization shall conduct a review before committing to supply products and services to a customer, including requirements specified for delivery and post-delivery activities. Usually, companies address this requirement through the contract review process. It is expected that in addition to the definition of the requirements, the contract process includes a review of such commitments before responding to the customer. Specifically, an organization must define and commit to the delivery and post-delivery activities when required. For example, if your offer is a piece of equipment, your contract may include delivery and installation and an agreement for maintenance during a specified period. The next point, B, states that the organization shall conduct a review before committing to supply products and services to a customer, including requirements not expressed by the customer but necessary for the specified or intended use when known. This is a tricky issue that is easy to overlook. The standard implies that if your customers are unclear on how they will use the product, you must consider its intended use. In other words, the supplier has to understand the customer's intentions and recommend a solution. Remember that joke? Hey Wiley, give me a wrench, please. What size? Does not matter, I need to use it as a hammer. Jokes aside, let's look at a real scenario. Let's say you run a bike shop. A customer comes to you and asks, do you have bikes with 18 to 19-inch frame size, with 21 speeds? Of course you do. You can show the customer a bike as he described and sell it to him. But did you sell him what he needed? The answer is not necessarily. You did not assist the customer in understanding his needs because you did not ask how your customer would use the bike. Was it for cruising the streets, amateur racing, or off-road adventures? If you knew the intended use, you could have met your client's needs better. If the customer planned to use the bike for crazy off-road racing, you could have recommended front and rear suspension, fat tires, a water bottle holder, an enhanced seat, and other things to the client. This is all the time we have for today's topic. Let's summarize our discussion today. Conduct a review before committing to supply products and services to a customer. Confirm requirements for delivery and post-delivery activities. Consider intended use when known. In the following video, we will move to the next elements of this clause. As always, feel free to check our free downloads. Go to the Academy page on our website and see how our templates can help simplify your management system. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, your likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.